أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. When leaving the house, Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Only simple.
Repeated it yesterday many. توكلت على الله.
Again, please.
بسم الله توكلت على الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. بسم الله توكلت على الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. بسم الله توكلت على الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
Can you memorize
This is
this
the dua when you
complete?
leave the house. Yes, brother.
Okay. One time with closing eyes, one time opening eyes.
I'm closing the eyes now. Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah la hawla wala quwwata illa billah.
MashaAllah, very good memory. Your memory is very good. MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. Barakallah fiqh. We are starting now. Which lesson? Okay, in knowledge increasing. Dua for increase
In
the knowledge.
Rabbi zidni in ilma.
No. Oh, mashallah. Good.
Rabbi zidni ilma ya Rabbi.
Good.
I add little bit names of Allah. Rabbi zidni ilma ya Allah. Rabbi zidni ilma al-Malik. Rabbi zidni ilma ya Rabbi. You know, I add names of his attributions and everything. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah. Good, brother. Okay, we are starting to lesson from the alphabets Arabic. Yeah, please. You can tell me first last time's lesson. Last time lesson first. After that, inshallah, we will repeat from the beginning, from the alif.
Inshallah. So the last lesson was ha. Ha.
2 lessons, I think. Last time I was teach you 2 words. Also, I was explain you difference between 3 letters. Dots, without dots,
Which
upper
was
dots, down dots, bottom dots.
Sure. So we spoke about. Okay, so you want me to start from Alif? From the first letter Alif.
Okay, you can start from the alif now. After that, I will teach you next, inshallah.
Inshallah. All right. So again, as we said, when we learn one letter, we learned already not one letter but billion letters, because it's mentioned for the billion times in a hadith and Quran, of course. Then we're gonna start with the first letter. We had first time class was Alif. We have Ba, which is with the dot down. We have a Ta. Ta is with the 2 dots. Then we have Ta with 3 dots. Jim with a dot in the top. And we have Ha, and we have Ha. Ha has the dot on the top. The one has down. Jim has down. Ha has on top. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, mashallah. One time more, please.
Alif. We have alif, ba, ta, ka, jim.
Ta and tha. What difference between ta and tha with English spell?
So ta is with THH. I'm sorry, with TAA. I'm sorry. Ta is with TAA, which is AA. And ta, spelling it's THA.
Good, nice.
Ta.
Next.
Jim, it's the one with a dot on the bottom. Then you have ha, and we have ha, the one with dot on top. Ha.
What the difference between ha and kho?
So basically, with ha, it's H only, while ha becomes because of KH. So it's HAA for ha. For ha, it's KHAA. So we add K.
Kho with one dot. Kho, KHAA. And before, without any dot, ha, HAA. Only?
HAA.
Mashallah, very good, nice. Congratulations, mashallah. La quwwata illa
We
billah.
learned billion letters we learned.
How
Billions
many
of letters we
billions?
learned.
How billions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 billions.
No, stop.
Trillions.
Most many billion, 1 billion, 2 billion, 5 billion.
Mashallah, now we are starting to new letters. Inshallah. Which color letter next?
Green, my favorite color.
Dark
Green,
green.
alhamdulillah.
Dark green. After that, which color?
Oh, it's green. No, it's pink and green. So
No. Jim, ha, and kho. It's completed. After kho, which color letter?
I'm looking at the old alphabet.
No,
I'm
no,
sorry,
old,
new
no.
alphabet. Because I
Ignore
have two
the old.
alphabets.
Ignore the old alphabets.
I'm sorry, new. I have new one. I'm sorry. I have
Yeah, new open in daily class. New is best. Old is not best for beginner. Yeah. Old is with English spells. That not helping to your lesson. It's new good for your knowledge, increasing knowledge, memorization also.
4, 5, 2, 3.
Yeah, avoid from old alphabets. Delete from your phone, please, that.
Okay, I'm not gonna get confused with that, no problem.
Inshallah, yeah. Thank you. Okay, new alphabets from the alif again.
Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ha.
Next, which color? New.
I don't see this other color, brother. Is this? I don't see it good. Is it like a black?
No. Dark green. Very dark green.
Dark
After
green. That's what I thought. Dark green. Emerald.
After that, which
Emerald
color?
green. After that, it's blue.
Blue. Okay. Dark green and blue. We are starting from the dal, the dark green. It's dal.
Okay.
D-A-A-L. Dal. Which pronouncing place of dal? Tip of your tongue, touch upper middle to taste tips. Dal. Ta, dal. Ta, and dal. Same pronouncing place. Ta, dal. Dal. Yeah.
Dal. Alhamdulillah, tabarakallah.
Yeah, dal. Dal. How many dots stop and down dal?
There is no dots on dal.
Okay, no
It's,
dot on dal. Please repeat it 50 times. After that, inshallah, increase. Inshallah.
Dal, dal, dal. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, dal, 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 dal.
Okay, don't
Alif, yes. Yes.
don't read it bold. It's slight. Dal. Simple. Dal.
Oh, dal,
Dal.
dal, dal.
Say that's aeroplane. Say.
Dal.
Say
Simple.
that.
Yes, which one?
That's aeroplane.
That aeroplane.
That's which aeroplane? That.
That's.
It's that.
That.
Yeah. THAT. That. Which spell in that?
Simple. That.
No.
Very simple.
Yeah. That is a word of English.
Yes.
Its meaning is
Yes.
that. Okay. Which spellings in that? THAT?
In what spelling? In airplane? In that?
That.
THAT.
Yeah.
That. That.
Which pronouncing place of that? That's pronouncing place is dal. Pronouncing place
Dal.
dal and
Yeah,
that
I'm gonna-
same. That and dal. Same.
Dal. 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 Right? Dal.
Don't forget this example.
Dal.
That's and dal.
Dal. Dal. Yes, dal. Very simple. Dal. Not bold. Dal. Very simple. Dal. 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 Alif, ba, ta, sa, ta, jim, ha, dal. Dal.
Again
Dal.
from the alif, please.
Once again, brother.
From the alif again, please.
Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, dal.
Dal and
And
after the dal, which letter? Ral. Z H A L. Z H A L.
yes,
Z H A L. Z H A L. Ral. One dot on the top. Ral. Whistle sound is not allowed in reading the ral. No. Ral. Soft. Ral. Z H A L. Z H A L. Ral. I don't know you are using Z and Z. Last alphabet from the ABC. Last alphabet is Z and Z. What you pronounce in your country?
yes. Oh, Z, D.
Z. No. W X Y and
WH.
W. No. You listen for me.
Yes.
Alphabet of English. Alif, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.
ZG, no?
Z. Last alphabet which name in English?
X.
X and after X which?
ZG.
Z and Z.
Yes.
What yes?
ZG. The ZG. You're asking which one is the last, right?
Yeah. Z.
And it's X.
X after X which letter?
ZG.
Yeah, Z. Yeah. Okay. Z. Zal. It's one
Zal.
top of this letter.
Zal.
Zal. Same style. Same style letter. Okay. Same shape. But one dot top. Okay. Zal. Yeah.
Dal. No Z, no last alphabet, no last letter of alphabet. Nothing has to do with that, right? It's Dal. DHEL.
Yeah. DHAL, it's good. MashaAllah. Okay. I'm teaching you just for easy way. Okay. I don't know which alphabet for good for me, for understanding for you, or memorization for you. It's not, but I want. I like good easy way. I teach you.
Of course.
Thank you. Okay, dal and zal. DHAL also, it's very good. MashaAllah. Good suggestion. MashaAllah. Dal and zal.
DHEL. Dal.
Okay, which dal, which alphabet spells? DAAL. Okay, and after that zal spells?
DHEL.
Yeah, EL, no, AL.
I'm sorry, AL. Okay. Dal, AL. DHAL.
Yeah, H is extra using in zal.
Yes. It's extra to make it Z.
Yeah, good. MashaAllah. Yeah, thank you. Okay, please continue. Repeat it sometimes.
All right, let's go. Dal. Very simple.
Dal and zal. Dal.
Very simple. Dal, zal. Dal, zal. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, dal, zal.
Okay.
Alif, ba,
MashaAllah. Good brother. MashaAllah. I appreciate for your lesson reading. Good. But which dua when you will go to upper side, also on stairs, to down side, also on stairs, for anyway. When you will go to down, Subhanallah dua read. And when you will go to up, Allahu Akbar. On going to stairs upside, Allahu Akbar. And downside, Subhanallah. And upside, Allahu Akbar. I think you understand.
Of course, when I am down, yes, you say Subhanallah.
And upside?
Just like a dhikr. Allahu Akbar.
MashaAllah.
Allah is the greatest.
For anyway, on stairs, on anyway. Okay. Yeah,
of course. I say during the day, brother, sometime I walk the streets, I say, many things, for example,
For example, you up story from your house, when you will go to upside on the the way, upside on the car, I'll say Allahu Akbar, and down sound say Subhanallah. MashaAllah, it's simple.
Exactly, very simple.
Yeah,
very simple.
Rule is upside Allahu Akbar, downside Subhanallah, just simple.
Exactly, very simple.
Yeah, it's dua, it's your dua. Also, you understand before some years, it's you memorized already. But which word I use? Memorizing. I give you memorization only. Which time you will read it? Allahu Akbar for upside going and downside Subhanallah. Yeah, please, one from the alif, please.
Alif, ba, ta, sa. I'm sorry. 1 second, brother. I'm sorry. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, dal, dheem. I'm sorry. One moment, brother. I'm sorry because my head is everywhere.
You forget, I think, today.
Yes. I'm sorry because my head is everywhere. I'm sorry. It's in alphabet, it's in dua, it's at work. Subhanallah.
I think one letter I teach you today, dal only. Zal we will touch to next time, inshallah.
No, it's okay, brother. we can take that next time. It's alright, no problem. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ha, dal, dal.
Good.
Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ha, dal, dal. Very simple, very simple, very simple, brother, inshallah.
MashaAllah.
Allah made Quran easy for us. Allah made it Quran easy for us.
9 millions later completed. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, my brother.
It's shortcut.
Alhamdulillah.
It's shortcut. In short time, long profit. Long benefit. Sorry. Long benefit.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. In short time, long
Very
benefit.
good.
It's my rule,
So
classes.
this,
Yeah. It's a rule in my classes for students. In short time, long benefit. In the short time.
very good. Alhamdulillah.
It's
Alhamdulillah. It's good to have
saving
that.
of time. Students' time and our time. Yeah. MashaAllah.
Barakallah. So tomorrow, if you can do 6 o'clock, it's okay. You know, if not, we see what time you can do it. No problem, inshallah.
I'm
No
every
problem.
time available. 6 o'clock, good also. No issue.
No problem. We became already to know each other, alhamdulillah.
I think you are busy now. You want to going now?
It's 7 o'clock. I gotta get ready, leave the house, inshallah.
Okay.
You know, gotta leave the house with our lovable dua, inshallah. Bismillah, tawakkaltu ala Allah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, ya Rabb.
Okay. MashaAllah. Okay, brother. Okay. I think you leave now. No issue. You good class.
Thank you,
good
bro.
day,
I'm gonna
mashallah.
repeat this. Listen, brother, inshallah, I repeat this before I meet your class. I always repeat and repeat, you know.
Okay.
Before I meet your class, I'm sorry, I do little homework, you know, because if I don't do little homework, I forget. But every day, homework for one letter, it's memorized.
Okay,
For
brother.
me, it's a little bit hard to memorize because it's hard to focus. But because of my focus, it's hard to memorize, you know. Now, alhamdulillah, I do homework. 1 hour, you know. Inshallah, 1 hour I do homework. I repeat letters so I can memorize easy, you know.
Okay, brother. You can go, no issue. Allah will help you, inshallah.
Inshallah, bro. I make him dua, wallahi.
Thank you.
I make
Allah
dua
bless you.
to help him, inshallah.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Take care. Goodbye.
Wa alaikum assalam. May Allah bless you, brother. Thank you.